We love winning. We love winning so much that we do it every day. When I find a parking spot ahead of the guy behind me, I got it. When I grab the last bread that I like from my bakery and I see the other guys come in, there's a part of me that says yes. And when I find a place to sit in Starbucks, when there's a sun shining outside, and I grab the last seat, I grab the last table, that's it. At AI Incube, we decided to give you those winning moments all the time. What we do is we create an API for the street, of the live street, telling you in real time what is available there, and we provide this for every street in the world 24/7. That's what we do, and we provide it to you, consumers, through enterprises. So we license this as a SaaS model to enterprises, and you receive it in your applications. We launched this already in BMW dashboards and in Deutsche Telekom applications. This solution that we started with is ParkNav. It predicts availability of parking. It tells you for every street in the world, right now there is parking, right now there is no parking. We provide that to those guys, and last year, during this Wayra Accelerator, we were able to prove the value that we provide to those customers in terms of retention of their customers and return on investment. We were able to do that in 2 continents, Europe, UK, of course, and the US. What customers in general are buying, they've already bought, where are things? Where is Starbucks? Last year, the main event is they were buying, when is Starbucks open? What we're aiming for is when we are at Starbucks, what is going to be the situation there? When we arrive, will there be a seat there? It's a large and growing market, and we're really just at the start of it. We had a very successful few years. We are, later in this year, raising our Series A, so if you are interested in joining our Series A, get in touch with me. We are growing with a team of very strong sales, marketing, and very technological AI-based team. We do have a lot of strength in that area. And we are, right now, if you're interested, have a second seed that we are creating towards that Series A. If you're interested and it's relevant to you, get in touch with me after this presentation. Unfortunately, I have to go to the airport for a 2 p.m. Flight, so I have to leave here at 12. If you are interested, grab me now. That's an opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks for the presentation. It looks like you're targeting various types of customers. I was wondering, who do you see as the primary buyer of your solution?
So enterprises in mobility, enterprises that are related to cities, those are the first customers. So mobility means automotive, telecom, oil companies, anything that has to do with mobility, these are current customers and growing base.
Thanks. Could you just expand on how you're getting the parking information so that people know if there's a free space or not?
Right. So we take an approach that's now a growing approach in AI, and that is to buy some data and also curate some data and look at, do a lot of AI to create a precise and high-quality solution. We do also base it on award-winning research that we've done. In my background, I'm a professor. I did my Stanford PhD a few years ago, and this is what we're building on. So there is a lot of high tech, and there is a lot of data that comes from partners and customers, and also data that we buy.
Hi, thanks very much. Is there any sort of territory focus at the moment, or are you sort of territory focused? Are there particular areas that you're working in?
Particular areas.
Geographic territories.
Geographical territories. So we do limit ourselves to Europe, including UK, of course, and North America. In those, we have a distributed team that is present in all of them. We are focusing on selling to multinationals many times. So all of them have presence in both of those continents. Many of our customers really need an entire continent or at least a country to be served. So that's what we focus on.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.